Okay, we've got Hope Limited, who purchased the machinery on the 1st of October 2012 for an invoice price of $120,000. Additional costs including freight of $1,000, insurance for 3 years and $950, installation and wiring material, and safety demonstrations on the machinery use for employees of $650. The estimated useful life of the machine is 10 years with a residual value of $20,000. The reporting entity's period ends on the 30th of June and they use straight line depreciation. The company sold the machinery on the 1st of July for $45,000. Now, it asks me to calculate the acquisition cost of the asset. So number one. All right, so the acquisition cost has to be capital cost. Now, what I'm looking for is items that are one-off items. So this is just a one-off things. So freight costs or anything to getting the asset ready for use. So freight costs will be included. Is it 1,000? So that's included. Insurance of $950. Well, insurance is for 3 years and it is an ongoing cost. So therefore, it's not going to be part of it. And we've got installation and wiring. Of 2,000. Now my safety demonstration for employees is it's not training, or training would be ongoing, so therefore would not be included. So I have $123,000 and that's my capital cost. Next thing we want to try and work out is what the depreciations for the period is. So the depreciation we need to calculate starts from the 1st of October 2012. So now my depreciation, and it tells me I'm using straight line depreciation. So we've got two. Depreciation calculation is that we have cost minus my residual divided by life. Now my cost we've worked out to be $123,000 minus my residual value, and my residual value is up here at $20,000, and we're dividing it by the life, and it tells me that my life is 10 years. So 10 equals, that's 103, so it's 1,030,000 per annum. So that's per each year. But I've bought the asset on this year, so I need to calculate my depreciation from 2013, 2014, 2015. And when did we sell the machine? We sold the machine on the 1st of July 2016. So first is the 13th, so we start in October. So we've got October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. So we've got 9 months. So we've got 9/12 times 10,300, and then we've got full years for each year after that. So it'll be 10,300, 10,300, 10,300, and that'll be my full depreciation. Now, what's 10,300 divided by multiplied by 0.75? 10300 times 9 divided by 12, 7725. If I add that in, so plus 300 plus 10,300 equals 38,625. And that's my depreciation. So that's number 2 done. Now it says calculate the gain on loss on the sale or disposal of the assets, show all your workings. So let's do number 3. Gain or loss. So first will be cost minus depreciation, to give me a book value. And then I'll work out what my disposal is. So my cost was 123,000, less my depreciation of 38,625. That comes to $84,375. And disposal proceeds, how much did I get for it? I got $45,000. Sold the machinery on the 1st of July for $45,000. I got $45,000. Obviously, my $45,000 is different to my 84, so I had a huge book value. So I've made a loss of $39,375. And that's a loss. So you have to indicate that one to me as well. So if I can fit that all on the one page, there you go.